double bond. Because these kind of oxygens, the kind with 2 bonds and 2 lone pairs, are what? Neutral. So these 2 oxygens are what? Neutral. Do you see why they're neutral? Because they both have this set. Positive? We do need to take that away because we changed what was connected to the sulfur as well, right? We added a double bond and it's between oxygen and sulfur. So last thing is to check sulfur. Again, holy cow, I'm running out of room. Sulfur in its 6 bonds. 6 valence. How many bonds did I just say? 6 plus how many lones? 6 minus 6 is? What? Sulfur's neutral. No. All right, so what do our charges add up to? -2. -2, is that good? Yeah, there's only 2 things that are charged. Is that good? Yeah, if we can only have 1 or 2 atoms that's charged, that's ideal. Huh. We have our structure. Hooray. Sulfate. Again, multiple what are called resonance forms. So electrons aren't static. They don't just like sit on the oxygen right beside there like having a chat, having tea, right? They're moving around. So that's why there's multiple forms. But obviously I can't draw these electrons moving right now. I don't have a moving board. I wish I did. Anyway, what is the geometry of this? What is its shape? Keep in mind that we're looking at how many things are connected to the sulfur. The double bond just counts as being connected to 1 oxygen. Oh, I liked that pronunciation. Try it one more time. Think about the, oh, yeah. So close, tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. Because tetra means what when we're naming covalent? 4. Like Tetris. Tetris has 4 blocks on every single falling thing. If you've never played Tetris, you better go out and play Tetris.
Isn't that the one created by the Russian guy?
I have no idea who it was created by.
It was created by the Russian guy, secretly a CIA program, to take all of our money in one place and kill us all.
Is that a conspiracy theory against Tetris? I've never heard that one. Very plausible, I'm sure. No.
Yeah.
All right, side note. Okay, Tetris block 4. Tetris block 4. Tetris block 4. Tetris. If you've never played Tetris, then you have no idea what I'm talking about. But these are all in Tetris. 4.
That's 4 blocks. You're also missing another block. You're missing the T. It's like across and then down. It looks like this right here. Bang.
Oh, no.
Square.
No.
Square. 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 That's 5 blocks.
No. The T looks like that in Tetris.
But
There's
there's
just
5
1.
blocks.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you talking about the shapes or the blocks within the shape?
The blocks with 1, 2, 3, 4, the little blocks.
That's what you're talking about. The block. There's a
No. This is a very good discussion, guys. We learned many important things here today. Tetris, tetrahedral. So if you want to impress your friends, you can tell them your conspiracy theory about Tetris. Yes. Oh, goodness. Okay. Okay, guys. We get to try chlorate now. Chlorate. Calculate how many valence electrons it should have. So ClO3, -1 again is chlorate. Put your cell phones away. Where do you think we're at? We're in chemistry class. Oh, I only hit part of it. Good stuff. Are you writing these down? Wonderful. I was just wondering, because the last one I asked you to do the valence electrons on. Easy peasy lemon squeezy?
easy. They just take time.
They take time and redoing them and.
Problems are annoying and easy to do, but they just take effort. Like, if it's
Tricky. Okay, how many valence electrons will chlorate have? Cl is 7. plus how many total oxygen? 18. All right, -1, electrons are negative. How many electrons did it gain? +1. You might, wink, wink, know that, wink, wink, for the final wink.
Matt Tourette's.
Nah. 26 valence electrons. So Cl is in the middle, and it has some oxygens around it. Again, oxygen sometimes it likes to form double bonds. That took care of 6 of them. Where are we going to first? Where are we going to first?
6 around the oxygen, and then you're going to put the remaining 2 on the Cl.
Thank you. I should. Yes. How many does he need?
4.
Huh! I have exactly 4. Tell him I'm a magician. All right, so how many did 6 on each take care of?
All but 2.
All but 2, so 18. The remaining go?
Cl.
Cl. Gonna put them right there. All right, all of our valence electrons should add up to what charge? -1, and again, the less atoms we can have charges on, the better. So, oxygen.
We've got 6 minus parentheses 1 plus 6.
Wonderful. So what charge are each of those types of oxygens?
That'll be -1.
-1. Chlorine, 3 bonds, 1 lone pair.
It's going to be 5.
3 plus
3
2.
plus 2 is 5. It's going to be 2.
2, so +2, okay. Okay, so each of our oxygens is a -1 charge. And our chlorine is what charge?
2.
+2. Oh, man. Okay, this is one form, I don't even know what that word is, form of the chlorate ion, but it's not the best one we could have. All right, we could have a better one. So what is one of our fixes to this dilemma?
You just take the negative things off, then you take the positive thing off, and then you just double pair and take 2 dots off each.
Whew. All right, let's do one at a time. Let's double bond which oxygen?
The right one.
It doesn't matter which one. I'll tell you that. But we can do this one, the right one.
Take off the 2 dots.
All right, so we're going to trade a lone pair for a bond. Oh, we already did the calculation for this type of oxygen, the oxygen with 2 bonds and 2 pairs. It is 0. Wonderful. Sweet.
Do the same thing with the other side.
You want to do the other thing? Okay, we didn't check chlorine, but I'm guessing chlorine's not doing what it's supposed to yet. All right, we can take off this one. All right, so both of these oxygens are 0. This oxygen is -1, so what is it adding up to? -1. But let's double check the chlorine, because if chlorine's not right, something got to change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonds. This looks like a really sad face. Maybe. Really sad. All right, how many bonds on chlorine? How many loners? Huh, huh. 7 minus 7 is 0. Sweet. Chlorine is neutral. These oxygens are neutral. That oxygen is -1, and that's how chlorate has a -1. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So this is what I would consider to be your best form of chlorate. Has less charges. It's happier that way, more stable that way. So now we need to name its molecular geometry. Chlorine is bonded to 3 atoms, and it has 1 lone pair. Yes, trigonal pyramidal. because it counts as 1, 2, 3, and the raindrop. No.
What was the 7 again? What type of shape was it?
Yeah, tetrahedral for sulfate. Because we got into the Tetris battle and you did the conspiracy theory. Yeah.
I don't really remember what happened after the conspiracy theory.
Your memory is just like zapped. Okay, guys. So flip over to your homework page. There's 7 of them. You've already done 3 if you were here. If not, you have the 7 to complete. And on the right side, under name, it says geometry. So make sure that you're writing the geometry for each type. There's not as many types as we did with practice. There's some repeats, but like 3 of them might be tetrahedral. I don't know. I just made that up, but not every single one of them will be something different.
How do you do 4? There's 2.
Yeah, what does the parentheses say?